Hello, I'm Mrs. J. Now for this problem, well, let's read it first. A recent newspaper article claims that 95% of car accidents involve some form of evidence of distracted driving. A police officer questions this claim and pulls a random 87 accident reports. If 44 of them involve distracted driving, is this enough evidence to show that the proportion of car accidents involved some evidence of distracting significantly different from than reported by the newspaper? So significantly different from means not equal to. If it said more than or less than, then you'd use less than or greater than. But significantly different just means it could go either way, so it's not equal to. When you're doing a proportion, this would be a test because we want to test that it's different. We don't want to find an interval, so it should have been proportion Z test. Now the null hypothesis is always P equal to, so it should have been equal to. And I don't know why my screen is dark. There we go. So this should have been equal to. Now here, you use your 59% because that's what the claim is. It claims it's equal to 59%, 0.59. So this should have been equal to 0.59. Then this is the test. Because it said different from, this should be not equal to 0.59. So these two will always match. This should always be equal to. And in this case, this would be not equal to. Now to find the rest of the values, we can use the calculator. We do stat. There we go. And then you go over to test and down to, we need a Z proportion test. And it's one sample, so it's number 5. And then you put your P sub 0, which is your null hypothesis, and we said that was 0.59. And then he took a sample, and 44 of them were because of it. Out of the 87, we're testing not equal to. If you test less than, greater than, you mark which one, and then calculate. Whoops, I hit the wrong. Stat. Over to test, down to number 5, filled everything in, calculate, and then you hit enter. Notice it gives you your Z value. The test statistic is the Z value negative 1.598. Gives you your P value 0.1101. It gives you, well then you did the rest. The p-value was greater than alpha, so we failed to reject it. But you can get all of those from right here.